Well, the old girl and I have been getting along pretty good. She's treated me well, this Mac, while I've been yarding out. But whatever you do, don't tell her what kind of trailer she's pulling. Good thing that Mac can't see back here. The fashion police would be all over us for this one. Oh, I just saw my brand new quarter fender and I put a dent in it because I'm the only one been running it. Shoot! That's not good. The only thing this girl gave me trouble with was the air ride cab. I had to put a new valve in it. That wasn't fun. So I have that little dab of maple left there. And I don't know if you can see in the sun, I've got some ash there. I've got another dab of maple there and birch over there. I'm going to try to get it all on this last load. And then this job will be clean. And then one more down. So you see the blue paint all along here. This pile used to be a lot longer, but this is all that's left. I had the forester come out, the county forester, and scale all these different piles. There was a lot more than this. I took let's see, a couple loads of birch today, load of maple, load of ash. I took a load of maple and a load of ash the other Friday. But anyway, I had him scale up this stuff. It just makes it easier for me yarding out. I can put it where I want it, and it's paid for or accounted for and all that. I should have talked about consumer scale books, because out yonder, out by the main county road, there's ticket books, and I probably should have showed them to you. But the reason for the consumer scale is, in the old days, the foresters for the county or state or whoever, they would measure these piles, and of course they'd want to err in their favor, so they'd say, I'm just going to use random numbers, there was 12 cords in this pile, even though there's only about 6. Then you get to the mill, and the mill didn't want to overpay you, and they'd pay you for 10. So you were getting charged 12 stumpage and you were getting paid 10 when it was delivered. And the logger was getting squeezed bad. So they finally went to this consumer scale agreement where they have to verify their scales. But then everybody uses the same scale. We get billed on the mill's scale according to their weight scale or their stick scale. Almost nobody stick scales anymore, only the small pallet mills maybe. But anyway, it's a good system that keeps it a lot more fair, a lot more honest. The logger doesn't get squeezed, so it's kind of a good thing. I'm gonna miss this sale. This is a nice little one. I did a lot of videos in here. Right up there is where I did the welding the Delimmer video on a Saturday night. I did my bad dad one for falling or getting the Timco stuck story over there. I hurt my shoulder right down there, patting myself on the back. I think my thinning ash video was in there. My Timco ride-along video was up on that knob over there. So I took a fair amount of videos in this sale. So yeah, I'll miss this one. It was a nice sale. There was pretty good aspen in it. The other stuff was okay too. You see it's starting to get muddy here and right there, mud. But I said in one of my other videos about where there's sawdust, no mud. It's still frozen very well under there. Oh, I should say on that consumer scale, when we fill out a ticket when we leave here and put it inside a lockbox, and we got to put permit number, species, approximate volume, the time we did it, day and time, and where we're going with it. And then we put that in the lockbox, and we take the other stub to the mill, so the mill knows who to pay for the stump, or yeah, to keep track of stumpage and chain of custody. But it's a good system. I think part of it is definitely due to try to keep guys from stealing wood, which I hope never happens. But I do like the trust but verify lockbox thing that they use. It's a good way to go. Yeah, you can see the blue paint on the birch here. I think you can anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna put that on top of the maple. I think I'm gonna put that pile of maple, the one back there that I'm gonna load, put the 2 piles of maple on front, put the ash on back, and then I'm gonna put this birch on top of the maple. I think this should be my last trip in here. That'd be good. Ooh, I should really thank everyone for the birthday wishes and all that. What a great response. That was very, very nice, you guys, to wish my wife and I happy birthdays. Seeing hers was a week ahead of mine. That was pretty cool. Thank you to all the people that did that. I suppose it's getting windy here, making noise, but I better get going. I got one more load to get out of here. I was supposed to do a load of firewood yet tonight, but I don't think I'll do it tonight. I might do that tomorrow. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.